Is that how we do it now? Is that... Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting a haircut and a cuddle in the same time. Oh, oh, what's going on? Taz, help me. Taz, help, help. Oh, Wiggle, I lost my hat. I lost my hat you like so much. Oh, oh, that's a big haircut I'm getting now. Oh, what are you doing, Alfred? Where is this? Where is this? Am I your playground now? Am I your playground? Woohoo! Thank you. Taz, can you help me next time? No, it's enough, it's enough, it's enough. I got enough haircut from you. That's my third one. It's my third one. I got one every day. Oh, oh, Taz. Taz, help. I am being invaded by baby animals. Oh no. Oh no, what's going on? You're listening, you're funny. You're so funny. Wiggle. You're so funny. Oh. Where is Alfred when we need him? Oh, you're here. You're here. Taz, I need help. I need help. He can't help. Oh, Oreo, do you want to come and help? Oh, Wiggle. Taz, Wiggle, Alfred. I think we need a pen for us four. How about that? It's a good idea, Taz? Is that a good idea, Alfred? Somebody is doing meh over there. Somebody is agreeing over there. I think it's Devon. You're starting a haircut too? Okay. I think they are all conspiring for me to tell me that my hair is so bad. Hello? Oh, Taz. I think, Taz, you are trying to find somewhere to sleep. I have my hair back now. There we go. It does. Here we go. Oh, it does. Oh, we go. Alfred, you're nibbling my coat again. Oh no. Here comes trouble. So here we are. We have a gosling, an emu chick. We have a gosling, an emu chick, lambs, and a kid goat. What are we gonna do, Wiggle? What are we gonna do, Wiggle? You're so cute. You are so cute. Somebody is nibbling my boots now. But it's a lamb. Oh! I'm eating straw now. Oh! Wiggle, Mutti Wiggle. Wiggle. Hello, Alfred. Oh, everybody's calming down a little bit. Oh, yes, that's good. Hello, Taz. You coming? Well done. This is a normal sight at the farm now. Huh? That does. It's good, isn't it? Wiggle. You're off now. I said yes. Oh, Alfred, you woke up. Wiggle, that's my hair. Alfred, I thought you would stay with me forever. Alfred! Oh no! Oh no! I'm so sad! Basically, Alfred is just going to have a cuddle with Chris. So, not very far. Oh, hello, Taz. Where were you? Where were you, Taz? You've been exploring. Do you know, Taz, you are going to run about 30 miles an hour when you grow up. It's going to be amazing. At the moment, you don't care. You just want to cuddle with me and wiggle. Oh, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Taz, you're going to be amazing. And so are you. You're going to get super fluffy. Because you are a Sebastopol goose, aren't you? Oh, come on, Taz, you come here. You come here. Well done. Well done. Oh, there you go. The two friends together. The third one is just here. Oh, and Gru. Come on, Gru. Actually, when Gru starts... Come here, Taz. Come here, Taz. Well done. Well done. It's funny because when Gru starts sleeping, they go and sleep with him as well. So this is good. Hello, Gru. Hello, Gru. Gru, you are getting it. Come here, Taz. Come here. Oh, you are getting a bit jealous. You want attention, don't you? You want attention. I know you. You want attention. Oh, what is it, Wiggle? Oh, you good here, Wiggle. Hello, Taz. Hello, Taz. Oh. So, I think it's time to say goodbye to everybody. Yeah, I know you want to give me a haircut. So it's time to say goodbye to everybody. Taz, I told you, be polite. You say goodbye to everybody. Au revoir, everybody. Au revoir, goodbye. You say goodbye, Wiggle. Well done. Well done, you're so good.